Now to the Sport of Kings. 9 runners will face the starter in Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park. Here's Spencer Darlington with our racing preview.
4 of the 9 runners are highly fancied for Saturday's Rimsky Trophy over 6 furlongs for native-bred and imported 3-year-olds. The Anthony Babanionis-trained Fernando, to be ridden by champion jockey Radish Roman, is showing as the 9-5 anti-post favourite, ahead of Tailor Made with Jerome Innes at 2-1, Any Means at 3-1 with 2-time former champion Shane Ellis, and Mohan Lal at 4-1 with apprentice Tajay Suku. The race appears as if it will be a straight fight between Fernando and Tailor Made. Fernando won easily on debut when journeying over 3 furlongs straight, before having to settle for third-place finishes in his next 2 races over 7 furlongs and then a mile. His exercise workouts have been impressive, highlighted by a 3-furlong gallop on January 11 in a 36.4 and 48.2 over 4 furlongs on Sunday. Tailor Made was impressive in victory on debut, going 5 furlongs round just over a month ago. The 3-year-old Grey filly has worked very well at exercise, recording 107 4/5 for a 5.5 furlong gallop on January 10, with the last 5 being clocked in 101 3. She also galloped 107 3/5 for 5.5 furlongs last Saturday morning, working alongside seasoned stable companion and 2024 Jamaica St. Leger winner Interesting Times Ahead. Given this build-up, she's very much capable of recording back-to-back victories and also making a winning 3-year-old debut. Mohan Lal, Any Means, and Uncle Nelly should figure prominently in a bid to complete the frame. This event is slated as race number 10 at 4:40 p.m., while first post for the 11-race card is 11:10 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.